Ladies and gentlemen, I know you all want to know when Nabua will be declared a town. But before that, I'm pleased to be here this evening to be part of your Mother's Day Carnival for 2018 in a wonderful Nabua. This carnival that celebrates your community, the community of Nabua, and our mothers, I'm told has been success. No town, old or new, is complete without its people. I hope all of you take pride in these developments. I just want to share some thoughts on environment. A clean green image of Nabua is needed. Please begin by being a responsible citizen in your actions on the environment. Do not litter. Take care of your new infrastructure. Beautify your homes and surroundings by planting trees and taking care of your compounds. Encourage visitors to your town to show care by following your example. A town is not built from outside. It is built by the heartbeat of the community that lives in it. All in all, ladies and gentlemen, it is that heartbeat of the Nabua community that justifies the intention of making Nabua Fiji's 14th municipality. What you have shown through this carnival and your response to plan to declare Nabua a town has been most pleasing. The positive response, your continued support, as well as your patience for the final declaration means that our decision to make Nabua a town is justified. That is the right spirit of the community to have as it prepares to take on the status of a new town. And Nabua, believe me, has got that spirit. It is shown in the turnout tonight and your support of this carnival as a community initiative. I look forward to your continued support to making Nabua a clean and green space. And in the meantime, your patience and support for this initiative is greatly appreciated as we prepare Nabua to be Fiji's next town. I take this opportunity to thank all the wonderful people of Nabua for their support of this community carnival. Your attendance tonight and in the days and nights before this has contributed to its grand success. In doing so, you have also honored your mothers after whom this carnival is named. Once again, hearty congratulations to the organizers. Ladies and gentlemen, let me thank Mr. and Mrs. Prasad for their dedication, for their vision, for their thought of organizing this Mother's Day Carnival. Can we all put our hands together and thank Mr. and Mrs. Prasad? You may have heard me in Parliament saying this early last year, but you also need to know the reason why it has been delayed. As a citizen, you have a right to know. The reason is that we wanted to light up your town, and that is in form of street light. Never ever, no government has put in the street lights. Now you have a street lights in your town. That's number one. Number two, We wanted to have a proper footpath for people to walk, and that is there now. The third thing that is coming, we will declare Nabua a town. Inaka, and thank you.